Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Gio Halalon, our winning coach, Coach Chito Victolera of Magnolia. Coach, I'll start with you. First game of the conference, you won by 31 points. Anong masasabi mo dun sa disiplina, sa gana, sa effort, and high level of play na pinakita ng players mo regardless kung ano yung nilaro ng Converge?
I'm happy. First of all, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for this win. Galing lahat sa Kanya yan. Yung preparation namin, yung kung kailan kami nag-start at nagpahinga kami. So, credit to the players. I'm very happy, proud of them kasi kahit na galing kami dun sa break na yon, but yung mindset nila, yung tanggap nila dito sa game na to, sobrang ganda. And we talk about respect from the start, from the start of this preparation dito sa Converge. And the right approach, the right mindset, and I think ginawa lahat ng mga players. And yun nga, sabi ko nga, credit to all the players, especially our veterans na talagang they are the leaders. So yun, maganda.
Coach, although short of a championship last conference, your local players played extremely well. And yes, it's just the first game, but what can you say about the chances of this particular team, lalo intact yung players nyo, same roster kayo?
Lagi ko naman sinasabi, I like our chances because nakikita ko naman itong mga bata ako na sobrang grabe magtrabaho. And I'm very confident and also I trust them kung paano nila i-execute yung pag-prepare dito sa conference na to. And, you know, although we're short last conference, but I'm still proud of them, very happy because out of the 12 teams, we're the number 2 team. So, wala ka nang masasabi doon. It's a blessing. Although, yun nga, we want to achieve more. We want to achieve that championship. But it's not easy. And we will try again this time. And it's a good start for us. Sabi ko nga, as long as we start strong, at least we have a good chance. And ang pangako ko nga sa kanila, it's a long break kasi after this we will play again after 2 weeks, so medyo matagal ulit. So I think yung panalo na to mas maganda para bago kami magpahinga All-Star break and then Holy Week.
Gio, nabanggit ni Coach Chito na your role will be bigger this All-Filipino Conference, being the main point guard alongside Mark Barroca. Paano mo hinanda yung sarili mo dito sa mas malaki, mas mabigat na role na binibigay sa'yo?
Yeah, first of all, thank you to the Lord na binigyan niya itong panalo na to. Lagi lang akong ginagay ni Coach Chito, ni Coach Johnny. Lagi niya akong kinakausap, but yun nga, commit ako dun sa mga sinasabi nila. So, sa practice pa lang, ginagawa ko na, dinadaan-daan ko lang. So, yun pagdating ito sa game, yun nga, kailangan namin i-respect yung Converge kasi mahirap kalabanin pag galing 0-4, baka sa amin manalo, kaya kailangan talaga yung...
Yun nga, short of a championship kayo last conference, and because of that, may mga nagko-comment na intro boy...
Sobrang nakaka-motivate talaga lahat. Kaso lang, hindi lang namin pinapakinggan, so pinapakita lang namin sa every game kung ano yung pinapagawa din ng mga coaches, so stay lang kami sa scheme nila, so yun.
Coach, same question. Your thoughts on those comments that you hear on social media na sa una lang daw magaling yung Magnolia?
Actually, we don't mind that. I mean, we just work hard, and whatever the opinion of the other people, we respect them. Basta kami, we will work hard, and then we have the opportunity to go to that finals again, and then whatever they say into boys or the boys, men from boys for men, and whatever they say. So ang kami naman, we achieve something. Alam naman namin kung ano yung na-achieve namin, and we're not the best talented team, we're not the best in terms of lineup, but I am proud of these players because we're the best in my opinion, we're the best in chemistry, and I love my players, I love my team. So we respect that opinion, but hindi yun makakapag-stop sa amin Meron kami mga ibang motivation. Hindi na namin kailangan yung mga ganong klaseng issues. So, yun. Padaanin lang natin yan. Yung ano yung gusto nila, respeto lang natin.
We now open the floor to the media for questions.
Coach, si Calvin today, 2 rebounds short of a double-double, 14 points, 8 rebounds. Nasagana ba siya ka-aggressive when he came back to practice kasi ganito kagad yung pinakita niya?
Kung mapapansin nyo si Calvin at pupunta kayo sa ensayo, yun pa rin naman. Wala namang nagbago. I think hopefully he's very motivated right now. And sabi ko nga sa kanila, not only on Calvin but for everybody. We just move forward. We need to move forward and kailangan namin yun eh. Kailangan namin makalimutan kagad yung nangyari and learn from that. Yun lang yun. Kasi wala namang, sabi ko nga, blessed pa rin kami. I mean, yung hindi lang nakikita ng iba, but we're so blessed. Kung ano man yung blessing na dumadating sa amin at yung blessing na dumadating sa ibang team, ano lang namin yun. Sabi nga, on the right time, siguro yung blessing na yun makukuha namin. Pero for Calvin, I think, ano naman siya eh, lagi naman ganyan, good mood. Laging good mood. I think, ano lang, ginaguide lang namin siya na maging more motivated this time. All Filipino, they have more role, bigger role. Kumbaga, Gio, Mark, Calvin, Ian, Paul, they have a bigger role right now because wala namang import na. So, yan.
For Gio, you had 5 steals in tonight's game, but si Mark din naka 5 steals, so parehas kayong may 5 steals. Do you guys make it a habit to challenge each other pagdating sa depensa? Parang in your pre-games, parang nag-uusap ba kayo ng paramihan ng steals or whatever?
Sa practice talaga, kami dalawa, competitive talaga kami. So kaya pagdating namin sa game, kumbaga normal na lang sa amin na ginagawa namin yung defense namin kasi yun yung strength namin dalawa. So kaya namin nagagawa yun.